Dear viewers, today I have come to Kajulia SSDP Model High School. This school is situated in the remote area of Gopalganj and it is situated at Kajulia under Kotalipara, Ubujala in Gopalganj district. Though it is situated in the rural area, this school is important in many respects. There are about 100 students in this institution. Most of the students of this school are meritorious. But it is a matter of great regret that now the school is bounded by water because of onrush of flood water coming from nearby rivers. Now we see that there are many plants which are submerged by onrush flood water, and this gram is totally submerged by flood water. And you also see this school is surrounded by flood water, and the under the ground floor is submerged by water. And you said that the stair of the school is flooded, and the people of this area come here to spend their time. And you say that a tot is walking along the pavement of the ground floor, and along with this tot, and a woman is seen here to repair net for catching koi fish. And that there are vast area of land in the north side of this school, and you see that a house is surrounded by water, and the people of this home come out of their house for daily necessary by boat, because the road leading to this school has already been submerged or flooded. And you see that the waves are very nice to look at, and you also see the raft of white clouds in the sky. The scene is very beautiful to look at. You said that the septic tank of the latrine of this institution has already been submerged by flood water, and that though the school is closed now, but the staff of this institution and the headmaster of this institution come to school for different purposes. They cannot use this toilet because the septic tank of this latrine has already been flooded by water. Now you see that the white cloud is floating in the sky. Looks like white ball, and it is very interesting to look at. You see that a group of gooses are floating on the water. It is very interesting to look at, and they are flying on water because there is no people around this area. So without fear, the gooses are playing on water, and this scenery is very beautiful to look at, and they are playing with the sweet wheel. Now you see that the north side of this school is submerged by water, and we have come here to see with our own eyes the situation of this educational institution, and the very natural scenery of this area is very charming and attractive, and the people of this area come to this place in order to spend their leisure time after finishing their day work. But in this moment they cannot come here because this area is flooded, so they cannot come here, and they have to spend their time at home. And you see that the stairs of the institution are submerged by water, and so it is very difficult to go up the stairs through this water. So the headmaster along with the staff of this institution had to wade this water. He said that a heap of straws, that is raspberry straw, is kept on the pavement of this area because they cannot keep it in their respective home because of the flood, so that they cannot get wet. and this woman is holding a net. This net is made for catching koi fish, and this net has been broken in different parts, so they are repairing, so use again. Dear viewers, you see that the toad is standing behind a pillar of this pavement, and now we see that the vast area of the north side of the institution, and this area is totally flooded and by the onrush flood water. And that now you see that the house which is enclosed by coconut plant, and these inmates of this house cannot come out because of flood water, and the only way to come out of this house by boat. So when necessary they come out by boat to buy daily necessaries, and they go out if they feel necessary to go out. Normally they do not come out their houses. Now you see that first floor of this educational institution, and you see the different section of this institution, and you can see the aerial view of this institution. And now I am standing on the first floor of this institution and see the vast areas of this land. And that now you see that the headmaster's room here reads Mr. MD Shahin, and he is now closing his office and after finishing his work. Mr. Shahin Hussain, headmaster of this institution. Now you see the western part of this institution from the second floor of this educational institution. Now Mr. Shahin Hussain, master of Kajulia Model High School, is standing on the submerged road, and along with the office clerk Russell, along with Mr. Shahin Hussain, master of this institution, and his pen is folded up because of water, so that his pen does not get wet, so he is folded his. Now you see that Kajulia Model High School from a distant place, and you see that from the very point of the school and leading to the particular area has been submerged by water, so the student cannot go there. And now you know that the school remain closed because of the coronavirus pandemic, so school is closed. If the school is open, the student of the area would be unable to come here because of water. Now we see that a group of people is crossing this area by boat, and the passengers of this boat are very unskilled. They are very fear to be sunk. Now you see that. Now we see that a portion of this area, and a man clad with red t-shirt is going, and nearby people are working in the water for their daily livelihood. Dear audience, if you like this video, you must subscribe this channel and press bell icon. Thank you very much.